Take a look. This is the parcel customer return. Let's open it. Here is all sealed. All sealed. Okay. So let's open it. Okay. Let's open it. Okay. You see, this one is anyhow put inside. You know. The customer claimed this one got issue. Let's try it out. Okay. Okay, no issue. No issue at all. You see, we need to press. You see, we need to press down. Press down. Okay, press down. You see, no issue at all. No issue at all. Nothing wrong. Okay, nothing wrong. You see. You see, you need to press down. Press down. Okay, press down. You know, press hard. Press hard. Okay, press hard. Okay, very simple. Okay. You see this one, half. Then you press down. You know, extend the second. You know, extension. No issue at all. Okay, but let's check. You see, but this one a lot of scratches. You see, dents and scratches. You see, all wears. Very dirty. You see, not acceptable.